We are here at New Banana Island, and right now you can see the CEO, Mrs. Mercy Amatomeso. She's standing on GRA Phase 2. Woo! And the people that has occupied GRA Phase 1 have started fencing their land already. Come, let me show you now. There is beacons all over the places for those that have bought their own plot. Okay, you they see now immediate allocation that they give you. Let me show you beacons. Once you pay your money, they allocate you the beacon, and then you see your plot. Can you see this beacon? You are seeing it, right? Yes. Once you make your payment, they show you your allocation immediately, and then you can start your construction, your building, either your business, whatever it is you want to build on your land. And this particular land is called New Banana Island, and particularly here on GRA Phase 2, and a plot is 7 million naira, and the number to call to get your own plot is 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. Remember saying Madam Peku dey here, and for you to get your own is to come for inspection. You send your money, and then quickly you go collect your own plot, and you will get peace of mind.